Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play League of Legends. First, you'll want to download the game client, which is completely free, directly from the official website. Once installed, create a Riot Games account. This is essential for playing and accessing all game features. After logging in, I highly recommend completing the in-game tutorial. It's a fantastic way to grasp the fundamental controls, understand the user interface, and learn the primary objectives before diving into your first match. This initial step sets you up for success. At its core, League of Legends involves 2 teams of 5 players battling on a map. Each player chooses a unique champion, possessing 4 distinct abilities and a passive skill. Your main objective is to push through the enemy's defenses, destroying their turrets and ultimately their nexus, located at the heart of their base. Along the way, you'll earn gold by defeating minions, jungle monsters, and enemy champions, which you then spend on powerful items to enhance your champion's strength. Team composition is crucial, with 5 distinct roles: top, jungle, mid, bot, and support. Each role has specific responsibilities and contributes uniquely to the team's success. For instance, the jungler roams the map, securing neutral objectives and assisting lanes. Effective communication and coordination with your teammates are vital for securing major objectives like the Dragon and Baron Nashor, which provide powerful buffs. Understanding these roles and working together is key to victory in every match. To truly excel, focus on refining your mechanics. Practicing last-hitting minions is essential, as it maximizes your gold income, allowing you to purchase items faster. Researching optimal item builds and understanding champion counterpicks will give you a significant advantage in different matchups. Additionally, watching professional League of Legends matches can provide invaluable insights into advanced strategies, map awareness, and team rotations. Continuous learning and practice are the best ways to climb the ranks and master the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.